Hi guys, welcome back for another video. I'm Jess and I'm one of the creative designers here at Sizzix. Today is a very exciting video because I am going to get to show you guys the brand new reimagined, redesigned Sizzix Big Shot machine. So we're going to unbox it, we're going to go through all the key features and show you the brand new design, and I can't wait to show you guys this. I think you're going to love it, so let's get started. So if you guys have been a Sizzix fan for a while now, you will know that the original Big Shot machine has been around since 2001. So we thought here at Sizzix, it's about time that the beloved Big Shot had a little bit of a facelift. So it has been completely reimagined from a stylistic point of view, but you're still going to get that kind of high quality, trusted Sizzix quality that you are fully used to. But it's all just been rethought of, and we've thought of some new key features that I think will really kind of appeal to all of you crafters out there. So as you can see from the box, we've had a little bit of a revamp with our gorgeous packaging as well. And you can probably see a sneak peek of the machine on there. I'll just give it a little bit of a spin to show you. It is stunning. And then I'm going to take it out of the box. So let's have a look. So when you guys get yours at home, you've got the cardboard packaging inside. And we're just going to slide that out. And then I'll just pop the box to one side. And then these little bits come off. And you can see the machine, how pretty. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, you can see straight away that the design has been so well thought about, but like I said, you know it's going to have all of the inner workings of our trusted Big Shot machine. So I'll run through some of the key features. So I'll just pop out the plates for now and we can go over that a little bit later. So just to show you guys the machine as it is. So you've got that same 6-inch width working space that you had with the original Big Shot. And the rollers inside are the same kind of high quality steel rollers that you're going to expect from Sizzix as well. So you're going to get a really nice even distributed pressure throughout when you're using our machine. So all of that high quality is still there. You've got a gorgeous piece of emboss on the top. I hope you can see that, which has got the Sizzix logo on there. So it's just so sleek and so modern, which is just amazing. I think it's going to look great in your crafting space. The handle, so we don't have the original handle where you kind of gripped it. This is kind of a little bit more of an ergonomic design handle. So it literally just goes in on either side and you just grab it, and it's nice and easy to pick up and carry with you, which is great. One of the most interesting features, I think, of the brand new Big Shot is you can see it's obviously not got its handle attached. Now, the original didn't have its handle attached, but the way that you had to attach it was with a little screw and a little Allen key. And I know that a lot of people probably misplaced their little Allen keys or their little screws and things like that. So we have fixed that problem for you. So if you just turn it upside down, you have your handle underneath there. So it's not going to be wobbling about in your box or anything like that. You know where it is constantly, and you can literally just pop it out. I'm just going to pull it out of there. It has its own little compartment, and then all we're going to do is literally click it on like so. Just clicks on and it rolls in exactly the same way. And then there's a little button on the top and you just pop that off. How handy is that? Makes it super compact because when you're not using it, you can literally just pop away the handle underneath, like so. And then you don't need to worry about any of those fiddly little bits. You don't need to worry about it going back in the box, taking off the handle, anything like that. It's gonna be right there for you to just pull out and literally pop on. So easy. How amazing is that? I think that is a game changer with this machine. So you've got your little handle there, which is obviously going to turn nicely. You've even got a little S emboss on there as well, which is fantastic. While I had it upside down as well, you may have noticed it's got 4 little kind of non-slip pads on there as well. So when your machine is down on your surface, it's not going to go anywhere. So it's not going to slide around or anything while we're rolling our dies through the machine, which is fantastic. Okay, I'll show you guys the plates as well. So obviously, just like the original, your platform and your plates are going to come with your machine. There is also a little instruction manual that if you need it, it is there, which is fantastic. And you're going to have your 2 clear plates, which come with your machine. Have a little beveled edge, which is fantastic. Makes you going through your machine way easier. And then you also have your platforms as well. So you can still do all of the same technology that you could with the original. So things like your 3D embossing, your 2D embossing, your Thinlits, your Bigz, anything like that, you can run through this machine. So you're going to get that same high quality versatility with all of the Sizzix products that you can use with this machine. And literally they just layer up like so. I don't want to pop a die through it because it's just so clean and crisp and the plates are all new. But I am going to do some tutorials for you guys to show you when it literally rolls through super smooth and cuts like a dream, guys. Like I say, you're going to get that gorgeous even pressure in there with those rollers, but it just looks absolutely stunning. I am so excited to finally get to share this with you guys, and it is now available on the Sizzix website. So please head on over, check it out, and if you want it, get your hands on it, guys, because I just think it is such an upgrade from our original machine that everyone has been loving for the past literally 2 decades. And I think it's about time, like I said, that we had a new design with that same high quality Sizzix brand that you know and love, but just a little bit of a facelift. So I'm gonna pop this away, or maybe have a play with it, who knows. But I am so glad that you managed to join me for the unboxing of our brand new Sizzix Big Shot machine. Like I said, please head on over to the Sizzix website and check it out. Grab one, show us across all of the socials. We'd love to see you guys with your new machines, using them, loving them. I know you guys are gonna love them. We've put a lot of love into this machine, so I really do hope you guys love it just as much as we do here at Sizzix. But yeah, that is all from me today, guys. If you do have any questions about the new machine, pop them down below or ask them across any of our socials. We're happy to help, and we'll obviously be sharing a ton of inspiration using the new machine across the next, hopefully next 2 decades. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, stay safe and keep crafting. Thanks, bye.